In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to access and review your general ledger, an essential tool for managing your business's financials. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting to get a grip on bookkeeping, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity, helping you gain confidence in handling your financial records. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks. Make sure that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so before proceeding, but let's assume you already have one and are ready to dive right into it. So, once you're logged in, you'll land on the QuickBooks homepage. Here you'll see the main navigation bar on the left side of your screen, an essential feature that helps you move around the platform efficiently. The next step involves locating the Routine Reports section. Hover over or click on the sidebar on your QuickBooks dashboard where you'll find a variety of options. Look carefully until you find the Reports tab. Click on it. This will direct you to a page that presents a wide range of report options available at your disposal. Different reports provide insights into various aspects of your business, but today, we're specifically interested in accessing the general ledger. Once you're on the reports page, you'll notice a convenient search bar at the top or within the menu. It is your handy tool for quickly locating specific reports. Type in General Ledger into this search bar. By typing it correctly, you're ensuring that QuickBooks swiftly pulls up the precise report you're looking for, saving you a significant amount of time navigating through numerous options manually. After initiating the search for the General Ledger, QuickBooks should present it as one of the options pretty swiftly. When you see General Ledger appear in the list that shows up, you'll know you've hit the right spot. Simply click on General Ledger. This final click will bring up the report you need, allowing you to review and analyze your business's financial transactions in detail. Remember, the General Ledger is a key component in any bookkeeping process. It contains all the transaction data for your accounts, offering both a bird's-eye view and specific details of your business's accounting processes. Regularly reviewing your general ledger helps maintain accuracy and provides a clear understanding of your business's financial health. With these steps, you're now well equipped to access your general ledger in QuickBooks. Let this process be a regular part of your financial management routine, and you'll find it pays off significantly in maintaining organized and clear financial records. Thanks for joining me, and happy bookkeeping.